Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel. In this video you will get the latest AI, XRP New News Updates. Before beginning, please press the like and the subscribe buttons. Thank you. AI XRP New News. Stuart Alderoty, the chief legal officer of Ripple, has called for Gary Gensler to recuse himself from making decisions on the classification of cryptocurrencies. Alderoty cited a recent interview in which the chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, stated that every crypto asset except Bitcoin is a security. He argued that Gensler's future decisions on the matter were likely to be biased due to his prior statements, and therefore, he should not vote on any enforcement cases that raise this issue. During the February 23 interview with New York Magazine, Gensler indirectly suggested that all other cryptos were securities because of the expectation of profits from a group in the middle. This statement has drawn criticism from the crypto community, with some arguing that the SEC lacks the authority to regulate all cryptocurrencies until it proves its case in court. Jake Chervinsky, a lawyer and policy lead at the Blockchain Association, has also suggested that Gensler's opinion is not the law, despite his authority over the crypto industry as a commissioner of the SEC. The lawsuit against Ripple continues, with the community eagerly awaiting a decision on whether XRP is a security. Although the outcome remains unknown, recent court rulings on similar cases provide some guidance on what could happen. In March 2021, the SEC sued LBRY for selling LBC tokens without registering them with the agency. However, a recent ruling by a Court of Appeal judge stated that LBC tokens are only considered securities during the primary sale. If Ripple can convince the court that it never held an initial coin offering, similar to LBRY, it could receive a favorable ruling. If Ripple wins the case, it could result in XRP being relisted on major crypto exchanges, such as Coinbase and Binance US, potentially boosting its price significantly. AI XRP New News. In the midst of the ongoing Ripple lawsuit, the SEC is facing another challenge from the XRP community. Attorney Fred Rispoli of Hodl Law filed a lawsuit 2 months ago, seeking a court declaration that Ethereum and its Ethcoin are not securities. The SEC responded by filing a motion to dismiss, arguing that Hodl Law's own allegations make clear that the SEC has not reached a final decision about the Ethereum network or Ether. The first hearing in this case is scheduled for March 13, and its outcome could have significant implications for the crypto ecosystem. The events expected in March 2023 have the potential to strongly influence the price of XRP. However, the sentiment expressed by the community on finance tracking platform TradingView is currently bearish, indicating a sell for XRP on summary gauges. Although oscillators are slightly in the buy range. It will be interesting to observe the impact of these events on XRP, which is currently trading at 38 cents. According to CoinMarketCap, the crypto community predicts that XRP could rise by as much as 9.8% by the end of March. However, algorithms at price prediction suggest only a minor increase by March 1 and even a decrease by March 31. AI XRP New News. Some cryptocurrencies may not be expected to recover in the near future. Dogecoin, while popular, lacks practical utility as it remains a meme coin. Apecoin's performance is heavily dependent on the health of the NFT market, which may not recover anytime soon. XRP faces significant regulatory and legal risks, and it also has new competition in its blockchain-based payment network. Even if the cryptocurrency market rallies, it is uncertain whether Dogecoin, Apecoin, and XRP will see long-term growth. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are up 40.91% and 36.24%, respectively, for the year, more speculative coins like Solana have gained over 125% year-to-date. Despite the overall bullish trend in the crypto market, some coins such as XRP and Dogecoin have performed poorly, with only 11% and 15% gains for the year, respectively. It is expected that these three cryptocurrencies will continue to underperform the market in 2023. Investors are turning their attention towards cryptocurrencies that offer sustained growth potential in 2023. However, not every coin is expected to rebound anytime soon. Here's a closer look at three cryptocurrencies that will likely underperform the market this year. Dogecoin. Despite attracting a lot of attention in January 2023, Dogecoin's overall utility is limited. Although it was up nearly 30% for the year, the lack of underlying fundamentals to support a sustained rally caused it to crash back down to earth in February. Additionally, there is no plan for Dogecoin to transform into a proof-of-stake blockchain, which will limit its overall utility. Furthermore, most of its short-term price swings are heavily influenced by a single factor: Elon Musk. As a result, investors are turning to other meme tokens with better growth prospects. Apecoin. Apecoin started trading in March 2022 at almost the exact peak of the non-fungible token (NFT) market. Unfortunately, the NFT market has since cratered, dragging down the fortunes of Apecoin along with it. As ApeCoin is the governance token of the Bored Ape Yacht Club ecosystem, its fortunes are tied heavily to the overall health of the NFT market. Until there is a rebound in the NFT market, the long-term outlook for ApeCoin remains uncertain. XRP, once a frontrunner in the blockchain-based payment network industry, has recently faced significant regulatory and legal risks. In 2020, the SEC brought a case against XRP, alleging that it is a security and not a cryptocurrency. The lack of a favorable ruling in this case could lead to a significant decline in XRP's long-term prospects, particularly within the US market, where it has faced restrictions and suspensions from several cryptocurrency exchanges. Furthermore, XRP now faces increasing competition from other blockchain-based payment networks that offer faster and more cost-effective cross-border payments with less regulatory risk. Despite its initial success, XRP now faces a more challenging landscape, and its future in the blockchain payments industry is uncertain. Long-term investment success for Dogecoin, ApeCoin, and XRP seems unlikely, as they lack strong catalysts to drive sustained growth. Although short-term swings in investor sentiment may occur, the absence of underlying fundamentals makes it difficult to anticipate significant rebounds in the near future. As an alternative, it is recommended exploring other options in the crypto market while avoiding these three cryptocurrencies. XRP AI New News. The SEC has filed a lawsuit against Ripple, accusing the company and its executives of selling XRP, an unregistered security. As the legal proceedings between Ripple and the SEC continue, there is growing concern within the cryptocurrency community about Ripple's chances of winning the case. Recently, Gene Hoffman, the president of the Chia network, expressed doubts about Ripple's ability to prevail. He stated that the company's decision to sell XRP before registering Ripple stock was a significant error and it would ultimately lead to their defeat. In response to a Twitter user's sarcastic comment about Chia's superiority over Bitcoin, Hoffman clarified that Chia's token, XCH, is not a security. Despite the ongoing legal dispute, the value of XRP has not been significantly affected in the market. However, as the case continues, it remains to be seen how the outcome will impact Ripple and the wider cryptocurrency industry. Gene Hoffman, the president of the Chia network, has announced that the company plans to register its equity to ensure that it complies with regulations. This decision was influenced by a recent statement made by SEC Chair Gary Gensler, in which he classified all cryptocurrencies, excluding Bitcoin, as securities. However, Ripple's former director of developer relations, Matt Hamilton, cautioned Hoffman to remain cautious about the Ripple case, as the SEC's argument suggests that even secondary market sales may be considered securities. Despite this warning, Hoffman reiterated that the Chia network has never sold any of its XCH tokens and clarified that all trading of XCH has been conducted by farmers farming. Other experts in the field also weighed in on the issue. The debate on the classification of securities was sparked on Twitter when attorney John Deaton voiced his disagreement with MicroStrategy executive chairman Michael Saylor's comment on the building consensus regarding the matter. Deaton argued that there has been no agreement on the issue. Deaton had previously proposed potential settlement options for Ripple and the SEC while awaiting a summary judgment. The attorney suggested that Ripple could pay between $100 to $250 million. In the settlement if the regulator agrees that the ongoing and future sales of XRP are not classified as securities. XRP New News. Ripple has recently formed new global partnerships with financial institutions, including remittance providers and banks in Asia and Europe, despite the ongoing legal dispute with the SEC. However, it remains to be seen whether the regulatory body will issue clear-cut guidelines and regulations on digital assets, even after the resolution of its lawsuit against Ripple. The SEC's current strict stance on cryptocurrency has raised concerns among investors. If the regulatory body's argument that XRP is a security is successful, it could lead to increased regulatory scrutiny for other cryptocurrencies and dampen investor enthusiasm. This completes the video for the latest XRP New News Updates. This channel puts out 1 to 4 news updates per day. To stay informed with late-breaking XRP news, check out some of the recent videos posted to the channel. Thank you for visiting the AI for Us 2 channel. Press the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Most importantly, believe all AI.